Hello, we are here at, what is this place called?
Lake Lenore
Lake Lenore
Cave.
Cave Trails.
Yeah.
Hi, Guppy! Look at, he wants me. They're climbing this big old thing, but I don't want to go because I'm scared. And the poor dog wants to go too, but he's stuck with me. Sorry, Guppy. Come here. Pippin made it down. There's Pippin. Here comes Justin. And Guppy's over there, but I'm coming back in. Hi, Guppy. There's Louis and Cecilia. Don't fall. No, you're gonna fall. It's too windy. I know. Pippin, it's okay. Where's your daddy? Are you gonna pretend you're dead or what? Where are you? I don't see you. Pippin! Okay, well, I'm done taking pictures. Yeah, I would post that on Facebook.
Just be like, sadly, there will be no more wedding. Justin tripped and fell off a cliff.
I'm always the last one because I'm scared. Okay, I'm gonna go down this way because isn't this the way? No! brother. But yeah, this hike is pretty much over. It was really cool. And I don't know what else to say. So thank you for watching. Bye.
Let's see who watched.